Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Why did Ma Long defeat Alexis Lebrun 4-1? Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. This is the semi-final match of the WTT Macao Champion 2023 between Alexis Lebrun and Ma Long, the most awaited match of the tournament. Yesterday, Alexis Lebrun defeated the world number 1, Fan Zhendong. And today, can Alexis Lebrun defeat Ma Long? If yes, he will enter the history of table tennis, the legend of table tennis. Before the match, the situation is very intense. Coach Wang Hao is very stressful. He seems to be very old. They need to find the situation to deal with the new, phenomenal Alexis Lebrun. Alexis Lebrun is ranked only as the world number 22. Ma Long is also very intense. He tried to think the best way to deal with the Alexis Lebrun serve. After the match, the Chinese fans were very happy. They cheered for Ma Long. On the head, there is the goat symbol. After the match, Ma Long defeated Alexis Lebrun, and he celebrated with the new gesture, the golf gesture.
转中路，这球埃里克斯勒布伦的回球失误。
Match analysis. The serve of Alexis Lebrun is very effective. He has won a lot of points with his serve. However, Ma Long has studied a lot by watching the replay. He tried to attack the ball first and return it short to the forehand side of Alexis Lebrun. Look at the stats. Ma Long has only 19 points lost on serve, while Alexis Lebrun has 24 points lost on serve. That means that Ma Long has prepared very well for the match. I'm watching live. It was amazing. There were more than 30k direct viewers of the WTT live stream. It's amazing. The score should be 4-2 or 3-2. In the third set, Alexis Lebrun played very well. He was leading 7-3, but he lost a lot of points. Why did Ma Long defeat Alexis Lebrun? Ma Long is an experienced player. He knows when to change the rhythm and the style of the game. At the end, Ma Long tried to attack first and play only the long ball to the middle of Alexis Lebrun. Ma Long defeated Alexis Lebrun 4-2 in the semifinal match of the WTT Macao Champion 2023. Ma Long was able to win by studying the replay of Alexis Lebrun's game and preparing accordingly. Alexis Lebrun's serve was very effective, but Ma Long was able to counter it by attacking the ball first and returning it short to the forehand side of Alexis Lebrun. Alexis Lebrun also did very well. He should win the third set to make the score 2-2. But he is not experienced enough. He has only 2 years of the pro scene on the WTT. At the end, Alexis Lebrun made many unforced errors with his backhand. While Ma Long was trying to control the pace of the game, he won 4-2. Ma Long has prepared very well to make less unforced errors. Alexis Lebrun has one of the best creative serves in table tennis right now. Ma Long also controlled the pace of the game and was able to make fewer unforced errors compared to Alexis Lebrun. While Alexis Lebrun played very well in the third set, he lost many points due to unforced errors with his backhand, which ultimately cost him the match. Ma Long's experience and ability to change the rhythm and style of the game also played a crucial role in his victory.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.